Hey guys, it's me Fima, and today I am playing a game, Subway Surfers, or Subway Surf, whatever you want to call it. My brother told me to play this game, so I downloaded it for you guys. So leave a comment what you want me to play also. So just leave a like for a game, and I'll try to see if I can get it. Okay, so we're just gonna have to wait for this to load. Come on, faster. Okay, so I guess we're here. I played a tiny bit. Sorry. And here's a guy, I guess. So, okay, so I'm starting. Okay, so this game's pretty easy. If you're a noob, sorry, noobs. Sorry. I mean, okay, so you guess you just get coins and stuff. That it. Hope not. Think you can get hoverboards and different people? No! Ugh. Bad, bad, bad. That's really bad. So I got 2,600. Yay, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Just kidding. Mario is top run. Oh, me. Yay. Oh, Cree. What? Cass is the most. Well, Cass, you're pretty good at this. So let's go home and look at the stuff. So here's me. I used to have Jake. Now I have a dog outfit. Yeah. And this is Tricky, I guess. The camo outfit and the heart outfit. She looks cute in that. Fresh. Funk outfit. Sports outfit. Look cool. Spike and his rock outfit. He doesn't have his mohawk though. And his punk outfit. Spikes. The Mutani is really expensive. You need 500 of those alien things, which are very rare. My brother told me that. Okay, and then there's Carlos, a Peru special. Then Dino. You have to log it to Facebook. Oh, poor Dino. Okay. Frank. Clown. I don't want that. And the tiger outfit. He has a tiger in there. Flower. And a work business outfit. Frizzy. Rasta outfit. Ooh, she looks so swag. And the gold outfit. She looks cool. King. I'm number one. King, a count outfit. Oh, you look like a vampire. And a royal outfit, I guess. Ooh, Lucy looks so pretty. Just look at her sweet little face. She has goth. I'm not really liking the earrings though. The Steve outfit looks kind of weird. But it's Lucy. Her thing. Then we have Ninja. He's doing some weird stuff. So he has this Yang outfit, I guess. Huh. And Flame outfit. Oh, that is so cool. It has like shorts. Huh. And then there's Tagbot. The space outfit. Yeah. And the toy outfit. Tasha's cute. That's her in a chair. Jim. Zoe the zombie, I guess. And that's her in a curly outfit. And the biker outfit. Roddy looks sweet surfing. You know? Oh Oh, push-ups, of course. Posh outfit. Chill outfit. And then we have Prince K, which I guess is the Prince of India or something. Jag outfit. Shine outfit. Okay. Then we have some boards too. Which, this is cool. Wait, they went to Australia? Aww. That's one of my favorite countries, and I don't live there. And that's a swag looking thing I bought. But 0 points. That's cool. 50,000 though. I like the teleporter. Yeah. This is really expensive. This is cool. Freestyler. The jumbo jump and a super jump. We have a great white. Wing glider. Scoot. Oh, that's cool. And the lumberjack. Superhero. And we have Zap. Cool. We have the big Kana. The stay low area. Smooth drift. Sunset is cool. Pink bubbles. And monster. Which makes it super speedy. And super jump. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay. Up that way. Jump 20 times. Whoosh. Whee. Here's the super shoes. Super shoes, yeah. Super shoes. Not so super right now. Okay. Let's try this again. Wheeze. Ooh, there's a box thing. No, I missed it. Aww. Up. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe because I'm really new to YouTube and all and stuff. Because I suck at YouTube. Anyways, I have 15 subscribers. Thank you. Who are those people? And yeah, if you leave a like, I might do a giveaway of something. I don't really know. Whatever it is, I'll be sure to warn you guys. Ooh, jetpack. If I get 50 subscribers, I'm going to do something like extreme. You guys leave down in the comments when I get 50 subscribers what I should do for extreme. And remember, leave down a comment what you want me to play next time. So we'll do one more run and we're done the video. If I get 100 subscribers, I just don't know what to say. And if you guys want to send me fan mail, I might leave my mail in the description. If I don't, sorry. I'm really sorry. So sorry. And if you guys don't want me to do any gaming, you can tell me that. If you want me to do something else, that's fine. Be sure. If you don't like my content, don't subscribe. Even though you would make my day if you subscribe. Yep. So, please hit that subscribe button to make me happy. and make it. It's raining tacos. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yes. No. Okay, top run right now is smiley face guy. Up. Smiley face guy looks swag. You. What? Got 341 coins. It's a lot if you think about it. Oh, that was scary. Sorry I'm so quiet. I don't really know what to talk about. I still didn't die yet. Which is a good thing. Oh my gosh, I thought I'd... Never mind. Okay. We're done. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like. Because if you like it, okay, sorry. I'm gonna end the video right now. So, thank you all for joining me, and see you in the next video. And remember, comment a game you guys want me to play. Bye.